Hey everyone, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about comments in programming. We'll look at the different types, what they're used for, and how you can apply them in your code. But before we dive in, I suggest subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon and setting it to all so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video and won't lose track of the channel. If you enjoyed this video, giving it a like and leaving a comment would really motivate me to create more content for you. Now for a closer look at this topic, let's jump over to the laptop and continue the session. What's a comment? Comments are strings of characters in code that aren't meant to be executed like the rest of your program. They have a few key uses, including explaining the code, making the code easier to read, preventing specific sections of code from running when they're commented out. How to write a single line comment? In Python, creating a single line comment is simple. Just add a sharp, hashtag, or number sign. Everything after this character on that line is ignored by Python, like this example. How to write a multi-line comment? Python doesn't have a dedicated syntax for multi-line comments, but there are two common ways to work around this. First one, use hashtag, number sign, or sharp character at the beginning of each line, like this one. In second way, use a multi-line string, also known as triple quotes, like this one. Python ignores string literals that aren't assigned to a variable, so you can use a multi-line string or triple quotes as a way to add multi-line comments in your code. By the end of this video, you should now know what comments are and how to use them effectively. Thanks for sticking with me in this video. If you want to support me to create more content, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and set it to all, so you'll be notified as soon as a new video drops. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me, and I do my best to read and respond to them. Until the next video, take care everyone.